Wow, this is so relaxing.
I know, right? What a nice and easygoing vacation.
Totally, those tips can really help anybody.
Wait, how did we do that again?
Well, in the beginning, we obviously had to figure out where we wanted to go.
Of course, we have to find a beautiful beach with nice waters, crystal clear, might I add.
And with a beautiful place to stay, of course.
Duh.
Make sure to find a reliable source for hotels and plane tickets. You never know what could happen if you trust a random site.
With packing, we always have to be prepared for any emergency or inconvenience. So we should always bring a first aid kit and a copy of any important documents.
Of like our passports and tickets, right?
Yep, just in case of any mishap.
I hate waiting in long lines just to check my bag.
Well, conveniently, I checked us in 2 hours before we boarded. You know, just to make it a little bit easier.
Wow, you're so prepared. I totally forgot to bring a portable charger and an extra water bottle, but I think we could just buy one at one of the plazas.
Yeah, we can also buy extra snacks for the 4-hour flight that I am not awaiting for.
But look on the bright side. We found an amazing hotel with an incredible source.
Wait. I didn't even think of getting around.
Well, I did. I booked a car for us in advance for when we get outside.
Oh, thank God.
See, I told you we could find a great hotel with a reliable source.
I know, right? It was so affordable. And look at that view.
Wow, it's amazing. But what do we do now?
Oh, don't even worry. Before we got here, I found some great places to eat and to do after we get out of here. Wow, that food was incredible. But I wonder how tipping works in Aruba.
It's never mandatory, but always greatly appreciated.
You should always look up how tipping works in your country, so you're never surprised when the bill comes.
Wow, these views are amazing. But how'd you get the reservations for this?
Well, conveniently, I got it weeks before we came, so obviously we would have the spot, because now there isn't any spots left.
Smart thinking. Now let's just enjoy the view. Wow, those tips can really help anybody with their vacation.
I know, right? If we didn't use those, we would be miserable.
Next time you or your family think about going on vacation, use some of these tips to make your experience the best.